Good morning, Texans. Today is Thursday, April 16th, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our pledges of allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. And now we'll observe our moment of silent reflection. And just a quick reminder to seniors, we're going to check those white stoles in our graduation regalia packet. So pull out the white stole, that's the overlay that goes over your red robe. Make sure that it says NHS on it and not HHS. Had a few errors for a few senior stoles, so seniors, make sure you check that. And by the way, we've gotten a few questions and have answered them as they've come in. A few questions about purchasing the honor cords that go with senior graduation gear. Once we get back in school, then Ms. Ponce in the East office will have those available for sale. And so we'll keep you posted on that, but we'll have those available for you. And those are all the announcements that we have for you today. Texans, I love you. I miss you. I look forward to seeing you again soon, and make it a great day.